Good afternoon everyone, and welcome to today's video. We are working on the 2001 3500 Ram behind me, and we're going to be doing a headlight install. So right here is my truck. Obviously it's currently taped up and covered, and the reason for that is if you've been following along, I'm redoing the paint work on this thing, and this is the last side. So obviously this is pretty much what it looks like afterwards. Pretty decent, definitely coming along. So working on this side right now, but once this gets done, which will be in a little bit, you go ahead and untape everything, and we are replacing the stock headlights. If you're not familiar, those are what they look like. Honestly, pretty poor. I mean, they're 90s basically style headlights, and they really don't look that clean. I don't like them. So let me go ahead and show you guys what we're putting in here. Okay, so pardon the mess a little bit. This is all from paint and everything that's been out for a minute. It's gonna get cleaned up in a bit. These are the headlights. So I don't remember the brand, to be honest. They are an Amazon special. Pretty much look up any 2002 or 2001, pretty much look up any 2001 Ram headlight and you're going to find something that looks similar to this. So these are the smoked lens. I got them on sale for about $100, usually about $130, $140, and they have the single little L-shaped DRL in here. I thought about doing the double DRL thing that they got going on, but I'm really not a fan of the two like L things. I think it's just too cluttered, and I think the single will look a lot better. And then to top it off, inside of here, instead of having an amber bulb, I went ahead and did an LED switchback for the blinker. So when it's on, it'll be a nice clear white. And then when the blinker comes on, it'll switch over to amber, blink, and then go back to clear white again. So I think that combo will look pretty good. And then if you're curious how these look, this is the old Shelby battery I still got out. I need to actually put this thing somewhere. There it is right there. Sorry, it's a loose connection to the battery, but they're actually surprisingly bright. I'm very happy about that. The smoked lens is not anywhere near too dark. Just dark enough, you can still see in there pretty easily, but I think that'll look pretty dang good. So I already have LEDs that are in the headlights, my current ones, and I'm just gonna transfer them over to these. They're stock bulb style, and we'll see what it looks like. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish up working on the truck, get it untaped and everything. I'm not gonna show that, you'll see it. And then we'll go ahead and toss in these headlights and see what they look like. I'm pretty excited, so let's stick around and see what happens. Alrighty guys, this is what they look like. I am very happy with this. Check it out. I love the clear running light, really works well. Very clean. Let me turn on the other lights and we'll see what it looks like. Finally, all the lighting matches real quick, so it's actually a bar. And then lights back here. Oh, that exhaust. We just gotta polish this side up, sand and polish it, and she's gonna be perfect. LED cab lights up there, but heck yeah, I'm real happy with this. Last thing I gotta do is this grill. We're getting a black grill. That's honeycomb, no more cross. I cannot wait. That's literally the last thing that needs to happen for this exterior wise to look perfect. Eventually I'd like to get rid of that whole bar assembly and do a 4th gen bumper. That's down the road. We gotta lift it up still, but man, she is coming along. So let me go and flip on the hazard or the blinkers so you can see. There you go, there's the switchback. All the stuff will be linked down in the description. Perfect. See it from the side just fine. Looks good. Flip on the headlights. Uh-oh. Nope. Got one. Oh, I didn't plug one in. I'm stupid. Let me go and do that real quick. Alrighty, headlights on. There you have it. As you can see, it does have a pretty low beam, so it's not like it shouldn't be super blinding to people. There we go. Look at how clean that looks. Holy cow. I know you can't see in person because the camera's kind of freaking out about a little white light, but looking killer, guys. Killer. Let me put this hood down. Damn. So that's the face of the truck now. Hell yeah. All about it. Definitely all about it. Alrighty, so I'm gonna go ahead and move this thing back up and get it out of the way. But holy cow, she looks mint. I love it. So thanks for watching, guys. I will see you in the next video. Nothing too crazy going on right now. Like I said, hopefully we can get that grill. That should finish off the front end in terms of looks. I mean, we got to wet polish and sand the side, put the badge back on, and then I mean, really, that's about it. Once it gets lifted up, like, I don't have any of the plans for, you know, crazy styling mods. Probably do some small stuff here and there, but she's looking super clean. So yeah, there it is. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Take it easy. Thanks for watching.